It don't red, oh mama, it don't red, oh it don't set, oh mama, it don't set, oh hey God, it don't bust, it don't happen again for inside N1GER1A. The Biafra chief of army staff don finally open N1GER1A. He don talk say if wetin wan happen so, say the Bala Blue Olaba no wan make it happen, make it release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with immediate effect. He say if not, there will be Armageddon of a calamidanious for inside N1GER1A. Say everything with umbilicious upside down. Say rain wey is about to fall for N1GER1A, so the flood is going to flood everything to the land of Duseto. He also talk say the reason why he dey paranoid, say the way wey Sanwo-Olu and the people take dey treat Igbo people for inside Lagos is alarming. Say they no stop, say yawa go take. As I dey talk to you now, this chief of Biafra army staff, he don gather all the Navy, Sea Marine, Spiritual Marine, Holy Ghost Mopo, Iron Tank, Bekus Tank, Peninsula Tank, and even drone, plus private jet and fighter jet and worship. Hey God, as I dey talk to you now, run at you. I am tracking away from N1GER1A before it go finally happen. It don't red.
Greetings to Biafrans all over the world. This day, Tuesday, 20th day of June, 2023. It is 30 years since the annulment of the election that could have made Mushid Abiola the president of Nigeria, which also caused the planned riot leading to the destruction of properties and livelihood of the Igbo Biafrans living in Lagos State and other parts of Yoruba land in 1993. The recent demolition of Alaba International Market and homes of the Igbo Biafrans living in Lagos State I repeat myself again. The recent demolition of Alaba International Market and hosts of the Igbo Biafrans residing in Lagos State, governed by Sanwo-Olu, is a reminder, is a very big reminder that Igbo Biafrans are not still safe in that part of the country. I, General Innocent N1GER1A, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra, want to state especially that the life of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the people of Igbo Biafrans are sacred and should not be arbitrarily tampered upon by the administration of President Bola Tinubu, aka Jagaban. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be immediately released as ordered by the court of competent jurisdiction. He must be released. The distance of Igbo Biafrans from their place of origin should not be a detriment for the enforcement of their basic human rights. Freedom of expression and association. As constituted by the international law. The Biafran army is mandated to protect the lives of Biafran army is mandated to protect the lives and properties of Igbos whenever or wherever they are threatened. This is a promise and not a threat. God bless Biafra. Lord,
hey God, water don't finally pass Gary, while I be like Portable. The kind weapon metamorphosis when this Biafra me commander bring come so from Amore. I never see this kind one before. Oh. First time for my life to sing both spiritual and physical fighter jet interceptor. First time for my life to see AK 50,000. And first time for my life to see bazooka where he get 100 mato. Hey God, I beg you, make this balablo laba. This Tinubu metamorphosis of a Cherokee ancestors presido make it release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before Egbe go finally gas. He don't read.
Long live state of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Long live state of Biafra.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Long live Biafra provisional government.
Long live Biafra National Guard.
Thank you.
Down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo, down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo.
Down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo, down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo.
Down, down the valley,
Yes,
yo,
sir.
down the valley,
Echo!
down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo.
Down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo, down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo.
Down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo. Down, down the valley, yo, see down the valley, yo.
Down, down the valley, you see down the valley, you down, down the valley, you see down the valley, you.
As I walk in the valley, yo, there was a bird, one on the tree, one on the floor, singing the valley, yo.
Down, down the valley, you see down the valley, you down, down the valley, you see down the valley, you.
Eternal
Eternal life. life.
Eternal.
Eternal life, I want to fight for Biafran right. God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafran soldier. God save my soul.
Oh, my Savior.
Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right. To fight for Biafran freedom. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right, oh Lord.
Eternal.
Eternal life.
Eternal.
Eternal life, I want to fight for Biafran right. God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafran soldier. God save my soul.
Oh, my Savior.
Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right. To fight for Biafran freedom. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right, oh Lord.